Now, new question is a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. One new thing it is what? Now one sphere is melted into cylinder. Okay. Then what is given for sphere? Radius is given to you 4.2 centimeter, and for cylinder what is given? Just you see here, the radius of cylinder is given to you 6 centimeter. Radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. What you have to find out? Height of the cylinder. Okay, in question what is? The sphere is melted and convert into the cylinder. It means volume of sphere will be equal to volume of cylinder. Now what is the volume of sphere? That is 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube. Okay, and what is volume of cylinder? Pi r2 square h. You can cut pi to pi cut. And what is the value of h? Just you see, h will be 4 r1 cube upon 3 r2 square. Okay, now come on, see here, 4 r1 cube means what is r1? 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 and upon 3. What is r2 square? 2 times 6 into 6. Okay, and this is equal to h. I am removing this decimal. 1 2 3 is here, then 10 into 10 into 10 will come. Okay, then what will be? 6 1 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42, 6 1 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42, then 3. This is 14. Okay, then 14 4 ja 56, and this is 7 7 ja 49 upon 1 2 3 zeros will come, and this is your h. Yes, when you multiply 56 into 49, then you will get 2744 and divide by 1000. What will be the last answer? 2.744 centimeter. This is the height of it. This is your answer. Yes, now the next question is metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. It means there are 3 spheres, radii are 6, 8 and 10 centimeter, and we have to make it one sphere. Okay, so what are the radii of? r1 is 6, r2 is 8 and r3 is 10 centimeter. And what is given in the question? That total volume is v. We can find volume of first sphere, volume of second sphere and volume of third sphere. Then what will be the question? According to question, what we can say? V is equal to volume of first sphere v1 plus v2 plus v3, like this. See here, r1 is 6 centimeter, r2 is 8 centimeter and r3 is 10 centimeter, and v is equal to v1 plus v2 plus v3. These three are the small spheres, and this is v is your biggest sphere. Okay, and what is the volume of sphere that we know? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Capital R cube we can say this is 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube, 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube and 4 upon 3 pi r3 cube, like this. I am taking out pi common. See, 4 upon 3 pi common both side. r1 cube plus r2 cube plus r3 cube is there. Then after that you see this is as it is, this is as it is. Then what is the value of r1? Value of r1 is your 6 centimeter. So write here 6 centimeter, 6 cube, then here is 8 cube and here is 10 cube. And what is 6 cube that we know? Then 4 upon 3 pi to 4 upon 3 pi cut. What is 6 cube. 6 cube is your 216. 216. Plus what is 8 cube? This is 512. And what is 10 cube? 10 cube is what? 1000. Okay, 10 cube is 1000. Then add this 1500, 1728. 1728. So what is the cube root of 1728? That is very simple. Okay, cube root of 1728 is 12. This is 12 centimeter, and this is your answer also. Now the next question is 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to the form of platform, and size is given to you 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. Well in the form of cylinder, and platform's length and breadth is given to you. You have to find height of the platform. It means we are going to made one platform in the shape of cuboid. It means what we can say, volume of well, we can say volume of earth taken out from the well is equal to volume of platform, which is in the shape of cuboid. And for well, what is given to you? 7 meter. Diameter is given to you 7 meter. Then radius will be 7 by 2. Height is given to you 20 meter. See, height is given to you 20 meter. Okay, for platform L and B is given to you. And see what is given here. These two things are given. For cylinder, purpose well in the shape of cylinder, radius will be 7 by 2 meter and height is 20 meter. And for platform, which is in the shape of cuboid, length L will be 22 meter. It is given to you, know. L is 22 meter, B is 14 meter, and H2, I am taking height H2. This you have to find out because it is given here. You have to find height of the platform. Okay, what we know from the question, see here what we get and what is given. Just you see, volume of earth taken out from the well, which is spread into and make it the shape of platform. It means volume of earth taken out from the well is equal to volume of platform, and well is in the shape of cylinder. Well is in the shape of cylinder, and this is in the shape of cuboid. And what is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square, and height is what? h1. I am taking h1. This is L into B into height is h2. And what you have to find out? h2 only. Okay, you have to find h2 only. Then what will be h2? Pi r square h1 upon L into B, and you have to put values of value of pi is 22 upon 7. See here, pi is 22 upon 7, value 7 by 2, r is 7 by 2, no? So 7 by 2, 2 times 7 by 2, h1 is what? 20, height of the well is given to you 20, and come on, L, length was 22 and B it was given 14, 1 4 14. This is h2. This you have to find out. Just you see, you can cut 22 to 22, 7 to 7 you can cut, 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 2 1 are 2, 2 10s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. What is coming? 5 by 2. Okay, 5 by 2 means if you divide it, then what you will get? At last you will get 5 by 2, then 2.5 meter is the height of platform, and this is your answer. Yes, the next question is, a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14-meter deep. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Find the height of that embankment. Okay, what is given? The earth is taken out from the well, and what is the diameter of earth? Is this 3 meter? So you can take radius 3 by 2. Okay, height is given to you 14 meter. This is R1 and this is H1. Okay, now the earth is evenly spread all around it. It means you will get again cylindrical shape. Okay, then shape is called embankment. Okay, so that embankment height is given to you 4 meter, width is given to you 4 meter, and you have to find height of the cylinder. Okay, so see here, just like embankment, how can we can see here, this is the well, total diameter 3 meter, then radius will be 1.5 meter, and width of that embankment is given to you 4 meter. Okay, yes, if width is given to you 4 meter, then what will be the radius of the embankment? See, 1.5 is this and 4 is this. Then what will be the radius? 1.5 plus 4, total this will be 5.5. You can see here R2 is equal to 1.5 plus 4 is equal to 5.5, and height of that embankment is your H2. Yes, now the volume of the earth used for making embankment is equal to volume of earth dug out. Okay, whatever earth is coming from that well for making embankment is equal to what? Volume of earth dug out from the well. Okay, embankment in the shape of cylinder, just like your, we can say, hollow cylinder, and with depth is also given to you. So two cylinders you can get it. So how can you get the volume of earth from the embankment? That is volume of outer embankment minus volume of inner embankment, or we can say volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder is equal to volume of earth dug out. This is the actual volume of this. Okay, now what is given? Volume of outer cylinder, this is, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So pi embankment radius is this r2 square, then h2, and volume of inner cylinder, here radius I have to take off the that well, so pi r1 square h2 is equal to volume of earth dug out, so pi r1 square h1. Okay, I am taking out pi common. Now see, I am taking out pi common, and see here, pi is common, what is, and I can take h2 also common. Okay, so what is remaining? R2 square minus R1 square, this will be pi R1 square H1. What can you do? Pi to pi cut. What will be H2? R1 square H1 upon R2 square minus R1 square. So R1 square H1 upon, this is just like a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. Now see, H2 is given to you R1 square H1 upon R2 plus R1 and R2 minus R1. Then what is H2? See, R1 is 1.5 into 1.5. What is H1? H1 is 14 upon R2 plus R1. So 5.5 plus 1.5 and 5.5 minus 1.5. So what will be H2? 1.5 into 1.5 into 14 upon, if we add 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 1 7, and 5 minus 1 4. Okay, then you remove this. This is 10 and this is 10 here. See, 2 7 are 14, 7 1 are 7, 7 1 are 7. Okay, this is 225 upon 2 into 100. So 225 upon 2, this will be 112.5 and divide by 100. Then what will be the answer? 1.125 meter. Okay, this is the answer.